Hey, what is up? My name is Jom and welcome to my channel where I create videos about careers, education, traveling, and a bunch of other things. You might want to click here to subscribe.
Years to upload. We should upload the moment right here, right now. Para pag mag-remind niya yung Instagram o kaya yung TikTok, balo tayo ang specific.
Ay, mabuhay. Kulang ko dito. Welcome to Clark International Airport.
Hello po. They are waiting for me. I need to check in my baggage. They try to travel light with a perfect backpack.
7:50 heading to
Cebu!
the boarding gate.
Ay, isa pa.
Hello!
Tapo kami ha. Wag magpa-flight na before lunch.
We arrived at...
Cebu City!
Ano na?
Gutom pa rin po. Nauna kami sa Baguio.
No, the question is, ano bang sa...
Yun. Oh. Ano po bang masarap ang appetizer? Sinilang tayo. Nagulgulo pa.
Out go.
Ayaw kayo mo. Masarap.
How was your lunch?
It's good. Oh yes, hi. It's Mactan.
Yeah.
Hi. Hey. So, Hagar the Verzosa from the outside.
What happened? Mabuhay!
Hi. Aww. This is so ganda. Happy. Heading to Mactan Shrine and then we go to the floating restaurant.
Market.
Floating market sa Thailand pala.
Near to?
The 10,000 roses because that's my dream destination. Oh my god, tikman.
We're gonna ride via
Maxim. This is not my alma mater. Oh my god!
For the experience.
Kakaroon ka! We'll arrive soon na. Tani ba video yung po?
Danay ba? Kumusan?
Goodbye, Lagu.
Bye!
My turn, I vote this right.
Hey.
Hey, what's up?
Hey!
Sorry, so yeah, here waiting for her. I arrived first and then Kat and Sarah were still waiting for her, but actually she was the one who left first. And this is the Mactan Shrine. I've been staying in Cebu, but it's my first time. That's lapu-lapu. First here in the Philippines. At the back we have Glorious Españolas. And right there, I'm wondering what that is. I didn't know if it's a lake or a dry river. Welcome to Lapu-Lapu City. Sarah just arrived. She went to the wrong place. So tell me what happened.
Oh my gosh, I think Kuya is an angel. And Kuya has sent me to the place where I should start my lakwatsa at the Cebu Mactan Santo Niño.
Church.
Then I prayed. Actually, I prayed for you too. I lit candle.
Bakit mali?
Mali kasi bala na yung Mactan Shrine, itang Mactan Church. Hi!
This is called?
We don't know, but it's in Mactan Shrine. And then we just saw this one.
And that's the end of?
The video.
Looking for a ride.
Di kami tinatanggap. Ang laki ng mukha ko dyan. Oh my God. Saan roses ko? Opo.
So lang po mga...
Magkano po?
Found a taxi because this grab is crazy.
Ayan na siya, kuya. This is it! Thank you po!
I was sleeping.
Uy, hindi ako masyado hindi ako nakatulog.
I was.
You.
Yeah.
I thought.
So welcome to
10,000 roses.
10,000
Ay, magkano po ba? Is my phone?
What?
Is it my phone?
Ay.
Mga camera ko ngayon.
How is it?
Ang ganda! Actually, kung paano mo siya nakikita sa TV or sa mga videos, ganun rin siya. Feeling ng pag binibigyan ka ng bulaklak, tapos nakita mo sila, ganun yung feeling. Thank you, Lord, for giving me this chance. 10,000 roses. I am 10,000 happier.
Ay, pagkabas sa lantaw.
Thanks. Yung malaki na lang yung pinili nyo para good for
Goldie.
Wait lang mama, sabihin ko yung pusit ko.
Yes, ma'am. Pangatlo yung pamiling order.
Eto po, ano siya?
Pwede ba kulas yan, ma'am?
Isa ba daw po crispy pata? Tamblang mo ang atsara. Chicken, kurigo nito. Yaman yung kasi. Ang sarap. Ginawa mo. Uy, haggard ko pero masarap.
Hey!
Manyaman.
Hi.
Uy, sarap.
Gagay buka ba ito?
Yes. Habang sila, busy ako kakain chocolate. Ano niya? Wow, yan yung headboard. Ay, footboard. Aray, mag-tiktok ta mo. Kung makabidyo pa na, ang dami na nagagamot mo. Tapos, pungko-pungko.
Hindi mo lang mo pa.
Sana dalanan yung buong Cebu mo kanina. Tapos, kaya rin yung pungko-pungko, parang kalabi. Para presko. Makapambali na ako, ma.
Kung hindi mo.
Ayaw na ako may nukulen. Ay, ni Larry Smith. Sige, gamitin mo kayo. Ay, huwag naman.
Why?
Detachable.
Oo. Hi.
Ikaw, signan eh. Diyos ko, katatag na yan. UA na pa yan, ha?
Good night.
Good night.
Gonna work.
Hindi ka na ng obran mo.
In.
Chris?
Oo, diba?
Yung talino yun. Kabili ng mayas mo?
Wala din yung voices.
Katagol na naman kasi. Control minus. Control, manap ka. Very fun.
Naksyo. Pag makanyan, late na.
Oh. 2 minutes, penalty tapos 5 minutes, absent. Penalty, 300, 500. Income, 66. 66 minus 300.
Nakapag-
Kaya may ligo lang namin kaya na. Ingkay.
Uy!
Uy, bakit?
Tatagas, day.
Ako ini. Nakaka-in love.